My name is Ketan Mittal, and today we are going to talk about the Axis Bank Quarter 1 results, which is from April to June 2021-2022. So let's take a look at how the results have been for the company. We'll start with the year-on-year comparison, which means that we are first going to look at the metrics of Quarter 1 financial year 2021-2022, which is the current quarter, and then compare those metrics with the earnings of the same quarter of the previous year. And then we are going to have a look at the growth. So in terms of net interest income, Axis Bank reported an 11% growth from 6,985 crores to close to 7,700 crores. The operating profit has grown by 13% from 5,200 crores to close to 5,900 crores. The provisions, which is the amount of money that the bank sets aside thinking that they might turn into non-performing assets, has actually degrown by 20%, which is a very positive sign for the bank. And this number has gone down from 4,400 crores to 3,550 crores. If we look at the net profit, that has jumped by a whopping 94% from 1,112 crores to 2,160 crores. So overall, all the metrics show a green signal because net interest income profits have gone up, whereas the provisions have gone down, which shows that the overall income statement of the bank is very healthy. Coming to the credit growth and the deposit growth of the bank. Now, by credit growth, I mean the amount of loans that the bank is giving outside. When a bank gives a loan, it earns money from it in the form of interest repayment and in the form of principal repayments. So all the loans for a bank are counted as assets. The retail loans have grown by 14%, the business loans have grown by 8%, small and medium enterprises loans have grown by 18%, and the total loans have grown by 12% on a year-on-year basis. All the segments within which Axis Bank disburses the loans have shown a positive uptick with respect to the previous year. Coming to the deposit growth. Now, if a person is depositing money in the bank will have to pay interest on that money. So that whether it's savings account, current account, or term deposits, the bank has to give back the money in the form of interest, and that's why it's counted as a liability for a bank. If you look at deposits, the total deposits have grown by 16%, the current account deposits by 21%, saving account deposits by 20%, and term deposits by 11%. This also shows that people are instilling a higher amount of trust. They're placing a higher amount of faith in the bank because they are not scared or afraid to put their deposits in the Axis Bank. I would want you to compare these results with the results of the ICICI Bank with the video that I had put up 2 days back. This will enable you to understand what's the difference between ICICI Bank and the Axis Bank results and will help you to take better decisions. Moving to asset quality, and that's something that's very important for all the banks because it helps them figure out what percentage of their total loans are non-performing assets and are becoming NPAs. So if you look at a Quarter 1 number of financial year 2020-21, which is the previous year, the number was at 1.23%, which dipped to 1.05% in Quarter 4, which is January to March of the current year 2021-2022, but the financial year is still 2020 and 2021. The number that the Axis Bank has reported now is at 1.2%, while on a sequential basis, quarter-on-quarter basis, this is an uptick. But if you look at year-on-year level, this is a dip from 1.23% to 1.2%. So now that the analysis is complete, let us take a look at what the target price of Axis Bank should be. So the current market price is 756 as we speak. I am giving a recommendation of the target price of 991, although I'm still confident that within a span of 2 years maximum, this will reach 1,000 rupees. But for the time being, within a span of 12 to 18 months, I'm giving a target of 991 rupees. The upside that I see is 31% from the current levels, which is not bad if you look at the given time period of 1.5 years. All right, that's it from my end. Thank you for watching the video, and for more of such quality content, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.